Today, I'll share how to use AI video combined with plugins to assist in sound imaging and rapid frame sequences. First, prepare a finished pixel image, preferably with distinct colors. Here, I tested the limits of this process with colors that aren't particularly distinct. You can see that the grayscale here is almost all blurred together. Then open the plugin and click on Video Size Calculation. You can choose different export sizes. Later, there is a percentage you need to type when exporting. Here, choose 312x176, remember, 300% export. Add a green background. Then press 300% to export the image and place the picture into Extreme Dream. Here, the cheapest 1.0 smart multiframe system is used. Write the prompt for the standby action Setup 2s. Click OK. Waiting for the map to be uploaded, the video is similar. You can download it. Then download the video. Put it into the Video 2S QT6 tool, perform high-definition magnification processing. Here, just choose to zoom into 2x if you store too much. Processing it takes a long time. Then you can put it on this website. Convert the video into a sequence frame. You can choose to remove the background here. You don't have to use it. Import the exported sprite images into Sprite. Split program column frames. Delete the excess sequence frames. It's best to remove the watermark here. The main concern for filling is when the color is detected. The watermark color can cause errors. Look at how many colors the original picture has. There are 14 here. The color settings in the sequence frame are a bit more varied. About 20 of them. Click to detect color. Here, add the green parts to the background palette. Adjust the mesh size. Set here to 8. You can see the output is 312x176. Same as before. Basic sampling is generally better for sequential frames. Wait for processing to get the background removal animation. Finally, the color is recognized in the original image. Return to the sequence frame, set the grid size to 1.sample again. This way, the color of the sequence needle will be the same as the original color. You can click Locate Color to view the color position. Now I want to click Effect Layering later on. Select the blue effect here. Click all the frames to layer the effects. Click Outline Processing. Select the corresponding profile. This algorithm generally uses an inner contour. Click to apply all needles. The outline is done. Click to remove duplication from the outline. The outline part is basically perfect pixels. Internal wire deduplication is targeted at the internal side. Here, select the yellow line inside. After clicking, the yellow line will remove redundancy. Modify the alignment as much as possible to perfect pixels. You can select the box after that. Deduplicate the content selected in the box. Pay attention here, don't click the checkbox. Clicking it will give an error. The same goes for removing impurities. You can do this in the checkbox. The main thing is to remove some small impurities. For things like the eyes, use small dots. You can select the eyes in the box. Ctrl plus Shift to reverse selection. Click to remove debris. You can remove the reverse selection area. Overall effect. I think it's still okay. You can also try advanced sampling. Advanced sampling is also effective. Advanced sampling is not suitable. There will be deviations. Advanced sampling is a bit more helpful for creating single image images. These three algorithms can be used together. Achieve the desired effect. You can try it out more often. Such a large execution may take 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, the software is completely immobilized. If you don't want to wait, you might need to delete and exit directly. Be sure to save the file. The output image size is too large. There are many realistic animations. Would also take a long time. The speed depends entirely on your computer specs.